and I also had to transfer a certain amount, and I was also worried about a lot of things. And most of us, before coming to Germany, like, we are very naive, and we are very novice. They have the biggest forex search engine in India. You can also save around 25 to 30,000 Indian rupees. Hi everyone, welcome to a new video on my channel. I'm assuming that since you clicked on this video and you're watching this video, you're planning to transfer money abroad, maybe India to Germany, and you're worried about the conversion rates, about the transaction fees, the hidden charges, whether you are losing money or not, whether your transaction will go through or not. I completely understand because I have been through this. When I came to Germany, when I first came here, and before coming, I took admission to a university for my master's degree, and I also had to transfer a certain amount, and I was also worried about a lot of things. And so I know that these things affect people when it's like when you're transferring money. So this video is to help you judge better and get the best facilities which is there available in the market. I'm here to discuss about a very good organization, a very trusted organization. They have the biggest forex search engine in India, so you can search and get the best rates of money transfer. You can also save around 25 to 30,000 Indian rupees when you're transferring your tuition fees, let's say to Germany or to USA. Stay until the end of this video. I'm sure you will get to know a lot about this service. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Kaustav Banerjee. I am here staying in Germany for more than 3.5 years now. And I make videos on study in Germany, jobs in Germany, and life in Germany on this particular channel. And I'm sure that most of the videos would be of interest to you if you are planning to come to Germany or if you're planning to move abroad. So do subscribe to my channel and let's continue the video. Now, speaking of Germany, as a student, when you're coming to Germany for your master's course or your bachelor's course, there are two types of universities: public universities and private universities. Both of these universities charge some kind of a fees, right? Public universities do not have tuition fees, but private universities have tuition fees. But even though public universities charge a certain development fee or a semester charge every 6 months, and I remember when you are first coming as a student to Germany, before applying for your visa, you need to get the authorization letter or the admission confirmation letter from your university, right? And in order to achieve that, you need to transfer certain amount. Like for private universities, usually they tell you to transfer the first semester fee, like the tuition fee for the first semester. And for public universities, you need to just send the development fees, like the semester fees. But either way, you need to transfer that money when you are in India, right? And most of us, before coming to Germany, like, we are very naive, and we are very novice real with respect to these things, right? Because we have never traveled internationally, we have never gone to some other country. And so for me at least, I was very skeptical that whether the money that I'm sending, whether it will actually be received by the recipient, the way, the method that I'm using, is it genuine? I was having so many questions. It's very important that at this point, even as a student, if you're transferring your tuition fees, let's say that can be 10,000 or 12,000 euros or dollars, that is a huge amount. When you're transferring that particular amount, it becomes very important that you do that through a trusted source. I'm speaking about ExtravelMoney. They have very good reviews. Google, even on Google and on Trustpilot, these online platforms have very good reviews for ExtravelMoney, and there are actual testimonials from people who have used ExtravelMoney. So candidates, students who have already used, you will see their reviews. So you can definitely be assured that this is a genuine and this is a trustworthy organization. The second thing is that ExtravelMoney has a very low remittance charge, and they have absolutely no hidden charges. The conversion rate is a very vital factor because it can create a difference of 10,000 to 15,000 Indian rupees every single time when you're transferring a big amount. For example, if you're transferring an amount of suppose 10 lakhs, you can save up to 25 to 30,000 Indian rupees on just that transaction. And I think that's a great deal. Usually these transactions take like 1 or 2 days. They are really fast. They usually take it 1 day, but still the whole time until the recipient receives your money, there's a lot of tension going around in your head. So it is very good that if you get some support from the particular organization. And I'm happy to say that this particular organization, they provide a dedicated person, a dedicated resource for you, who will assist you through the whole way until the money is received at the recipient side. And also for students who are transferring your money for blocked account through ExtravelMoney, you will get a 3,000 rupees of discount when you are transferring your blocked account money. And that too, you can do it via their normal portal. You can select the blocked account option. I will show it to you very soon, all the options that are there on their website. And obviously, as I said, the transaction is really fast. So you wouldn't have to wait for 3 4 days just to see your money on the other side. And there are no hidden charges. And also the KYC process is very fast. So usually for online transactions or for money remittance, there is a KYC procedure which takes quite a lot of time. But in case of ExtravelMoney, it is very fast. So you don't have to worry about getting your KYC done and then transferring the money. The whole thing will take 10 days. It's not like that. It's the whole procedure is very fast. So let's quickly jump onto their website and see what are the different options, and I'll quickly walk you through the process of transferring money via ExtravelMoney. So let's go to Google and search for ExtravelMoney. So this is their website. As you can see, more than 1,25,000 people have already availed their services. And also it has a very good rating on Trustpilot and Google. As I was saying, you can go here and see the reviews on ExtravelMoney, on Trustpilot, and also on Google. You can check their reviews. Uh, so the first thing that I want to show you is sending money abroad. So this is the main section where you can use their interface. Go to this tab and select, let's say we select Germany. So let's say you have a money transfer, money remittance to Germany. You select Germany here, and then you have to select the purpose of remittance. As you can see here, there's tuition fee, there's transfer to close family member, gifting to a person abroad, and also you have German blocked account deposit. So just to mention here, you can transfer your blocked account money through ExtravelMoney, and they will give you a 3,000 rupees discount on the amount that you are sending. You can avail their services to transfer your blocked account. Let's say you're transferring your tuition fees, and your tuition fees is, let's say, 10,000 euros. So you will see that instantly this approximate calculation is updated. As and when you are changing this, it will be updated automatically. So you can see what rates you are getting. And also there's a detailed view. If you go to get rates and select your city, let's say I select Kolkata, it will automatically search for the best rates and give you all the options. So you see the best rate here is the RBI authorized exchange house, which is giving you 956,904. So that is 9,56,904 rupees. And also there are other options for you to check, like to counter check whether you are getting the best option or not. This is ICICI, this is RBL Bank. So an important thing to notice here is this is the amount that you are paying. So don't get confused. See, this amount is more than this, but don't get confused. Here, this is the best amount because this is the amount you are paying. So in case of money transfer back to India, you try to get more amount here. But since you are transferring this amount to Europe, this should be as less as possible. That is how you ensure that you are getting the best rate. So as you can see, there are many options here. You can select one from there. So I'll select this one. Now you need to give your number. So let's say I give my number here. So they will send you an OTP, and instantly you will get that OTP and you can verify it. This is just a small verification just to ensure that a proper person is doing the transfer. And now you have the form to submit your details, and let's say I'll just give my own details here, and this is some dummy email ID I'm giving. And if you proceed to next, let's say I enter THOVL here and then proceed to next. See, this is the review payment page, and this is the final page where you will like select your options and place your order. So I won't go forward from here, but as you can see on top here, all the steps are easily marked for you to understand. And then the last step is the complete KYC. The KYC also happens really fast, so you can perform your KYC operation online, and it takes place really fast, so it won't take much of your time. There are a lot of scams going on when you're transferring money from India to Europe or from India to US. These international transactions are very, very risky because there are a lot of companies out there who try to scam you, because these amounts are huge, and so people try to scam you all the time. Don't fall into those traps, and always try to avail a method which is trusted. And I think this method is really, really trusted. I'm sure you will have a very good experience with them. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.